Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and I'm really excited to be able to show you through this mid-century inspired coastal home designed by award-winning architect Paul Clout. On entry to the home, you're welcomed with generous light-filled living areas featuring polished concrete floors and 3-metre high ceilings, while dual bifold doors open onto the covered alfresco area, allowing for cooling cross-flow breezes and seamless indoor and outdoor connection. The centrepiece of the home is the large terrazzo frame swimming pool bordering the living areas and master bedroom. With expansive decking and low-maintenance, lush subtropical gardens, you'll enjoy relaxed weekends, poolside surrounded by nature. Thanks so much for watching. We're only metres from the paved paths of the Lake Dunella Reserve, where you can enjoy shaded runs or quiet strolls. If you're seeking easy living in Noosa, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm Joel Hood, and I look forward to meeting with you soon.